Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to know your Gmail password if you have saved it on your account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gmail.com and press enter. Now if you have already been logged into your account but you don't know your password, you will directly be taken into your inbox after entering the Gmail URL. Now from this page, in order to find out your password, click on your account icon at the top right corner and then click on Manage your Google account. You will then be taken into the Google account management page. From this page, click on Security and now you can scroll down until you find your saved passwords. Click on Password Manager and now you will be shown all of the passwords that you have saved within your Google account. Just scroll down until you find Google and then you can click on it. You will then be asked to enter your password, which will already appear if you have your password saved. So you can simply click on the Show Password button and this will show you your account password for your Gmail account. After you find out your password, simply click on the Next button and you will be able to view all your passwords. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find out your saved passwords on your Google account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.